See, now we are going to discuss about display only even numbers in the given array is the first one. Count how many even numbers in the array. Next one, sum of the even numbers in the array. First one, for finding the even numbers, you have to repeat the loop from start to end anyway. Start to end. Repeating the loop starting from 0 to n minus 1. Up to end, we are repeating the loop. Just normally, we are printing normally. Is like ARR of I. So when you print normally ARR of I, so what will happen? First 3 will print, next 7 will print, next 4 will print, next 2 will print, like all values will print. But here the question is, print only even numbers, only even. So instead of printing that ARR of I directly, you please check first if that ARR of I, not I is index. ARR of I is a element. If that ARR of I is divisible with 2, if ARR of I is divisible with 2 equals to 0, first 3 will come. Is it 3 divisible with 2? No. So that 3 will not print. Next loop will repeat. Next element will be collected. 7. Is it 7 even number? No. Next 4 even. Only even numbers will print. Only even numbers will print. So that is the first one. The question is print only even numbers in the array. Later you will try. I'll give the time. The second one is count. How many even numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't print it. Please count it. So take one variable, count equals to 0. Whenever you are finding the even number, please don't print. Increase the count value. Count plus plus. Count value will be 1. Count value will be 2. Count value will be 3. Just keep on increasing by 1 whenever you are finding the even number. And once counting is completed, after the loop, just printing that even count is. Printing that count value. You have to print outside the for loop. A very important point here. What we need to print inside the loop and what we need to print outside the loop. What we need to print inside and what we print outside. Something you want to execute continuously. Repeatedly, if you want to print, that you have to write inside the loop. Here, look at this. I'm going to print even numbers. I'm going to print even numbers. How many even numbers are there? So many even numbers are there. So inside the loop, you have to print first 4. It has to print 4. Next 2. It has to print 2. 4 will print. 2 will print. 6 will print. And 8 will print. But here it is not like that. Imagine if you print count here. Count 1, count 2, count 3, count 4 should print. But we should not print like this. Finally, how many even numbers are there? Only one time we have to print. So you have to write outside of the loop, not inside. In the same way, I just want to find the sum. How many even numbers are there? Sum of all even numbers. So take one variable, sum equals to 0. Whenever you are finding the even number, please add the value, that even number value to the sum. Sum equals to sum plus ARR of I. ARR of I. Simply even numbers sum. Even numbers sum. Nothing but 4 plus 2. 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20 will be the output. It will sum only even numbers. See, for all these three, the logic is the same. The loop repetition is the same. And inside the loop, writing the condition is the same. The only thing is what? Here you are printing the even numbers. Here you are counting how many even numbers are there. And here you are just finding the sum of even numbers. Okay. Please do all.